Shenzhen Misource New Material Technology Co., Ltd. is a manufacturer specializing in food packaging. With over 13 years of production experience, we primarily focus on disposable fresh absorbent pads, plastic packaging trays, paper trays, and fruit boxes. We are also capable of providing customized services with a minimum sampling time of 1 day. We take pride in our commitment to delivering high-quality food packaging solutions to our clients. With our extensive expertise and advanced manufacturing facilities, we ensure that our products meet the highest industry standards. Our disposable fresh absorbent pads are designed to effectively absorb excess moisture and maintain the freshness of perishable food items. These pads provide an optimal environment for prolonging the shelf life of fruits, vegetables, seafood, and meat products. We also offer a range of plastic packaging trays that are durable, lightweight, and stackable. These trays provide excellent protection and support for various food items during transportation and storage. In addition to plastic trays, we provide paper trays and fruit boxes made from eco-friendly materials. These sustainable packaging options not only enhance the visual appeal of the products but also contribute to minimizing environmental impact. At Shenzhen Misource New Material Technology Co., Ltd., we understand the unique requirements of our clients. Therefore, we offer personalized services to cater to specific packaging needs. Our experienced team works closely with customers to develop customized solutions that align with their branding and product requirements. We take pride in our efficient production process, allowing us to meet tight schedules and offer a minimum sampling time of just 1 day. With our dedication to quality, innovation, and customer satisfaction, we strive to be a trusted partner in the food packaging industry. Product has passed BRC FDA CE ISO certification. Choose us as your reliable supplier and experience the difference our superior products and services can make for your business.